Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today I have a delicious and super easy honey garlic chicken recipe for you guys. The sweet and savory flavor will be your absolute favorite. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that I use for the recipe. As always, they will be listed in the description box below with all the measurements. First, remove the extra fats from the chicken quarters. Then remove the bone. It is a process. Be patient. If you guys think this is too much work for you, just buy boneless chicken thighs. I chose chicken quarters because I'm extra, like my friends like to call me. Why be regular when you can be extra? Repeat the process for all the chicken quarters. Next, clean the chicken. Then, prepare your marinade with orange juice mixed with lime juice, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, minced garlic, honey, Dijon mustard, chopped lemongrass, pour it over the chicken and give it a good mix. Next, I have a skillet on medium heat. I put some oil in there. Add some butter. Then saute the chicken 2 to 3 pieces at a time. You do not want to overcrowd it. Saute it until you get a nice brown color. Repeat the process for the rest of the chicken. Make sure you remove the residue from the edges of the pan to prevent the pan from burning. After I'm done sauteing the chicken, I clean up the skillet because I have some burn residues in there. Next, I put some butter in the skillet. I add the chicken back in there. I also add the juice from the chicken. And the leftover marinade. Let it simmer until the liquid is reduced. If you guys enjoy the video so far, please subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my delicious recipes. And please like the video and leave a comment. Et voila! It looks so good and it tastes delicious. It is so juicy and it's very tender. I appreciate you guys for watching, and remember to always be creative in your cooking.